ya muingi kamiti ino yugite ati magavana amwe ni maikoretwo makihera ite-ini ciao na amwe no marathie na mbere gukorwo magitungatira muingi makiaria kana akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Mombatha munene wa kamiti ya ngwataniro njega Eacc Ngumbi ekoretwo akiuga ati kamiti ino niyoyete amwerekera gwikia ngono anene aria mekuiruo na cieko ici cia ungumania.
My name is Eacc Ngumbi, the head of corporate communication at Eacc. So in relation to the Lamu project, you will recall that when allegations were made that there was fraud in the compensation of the fishermen whose economic lives were affected by the LAPSET project, Eacc moved in early this year to undertake investigations because it was claimed that the list of over 4,000 beneficiaries had names that were considered ghost beneficiaries. There were also claims that some of the people who were genuine fishermen were left out in that list. So following the allegations of fraud in that compensation process, Eacc stopped the payment by writing to the agencies that were involved, and that is the Kenya Ports Authority together with the Lamu County government, and stopped the payment to allow investigations to take place. Therefore, Eacc has now finalized that process of investigations and verified the allegations that were made in relation to the authenticity of the list that had been presented for compensation of the fishermen. The amount involved is over 1.7 billion Kenya shillings that was ordered by the court to be paid to the fishermen whose livelihoods were affected when the government of the Republic of Kenya commenced construction of the LAPSET project. Therefore, having completed that investigations, the eligible fishermen will soon be paid.
Thiena mbere ni ati mucirithania munene